Hi everyone, welcome to this video. Today I will be building a real-world AWS Solution Architect Lab designed for simulation, testing and skills development. Our project simulates a multi-region enterprise infrastructure hosted on AWS with a hybrid cloud setup that includes an on-premises environment. Imagine a global company with IT operations spread across two AWS regions, New Virginia and Frankfurt. Each region hosts its own VPC, public and private subnets, web and app EC2 servers, load balancers, CloudWatch monitoring. They are interconnected using a transit gateway, and we simulate an on-premises network via VPN to complete the hybrid setup. Architecture breakdown. In each region's VPCs isolate the infrastructure. Public subnets host load balancers. Private subnets contains EC2 web and app servers. App servers connect to shared RDS database in US region. CloudWatch monitors all resources. Shared resource S3 for logs and backups. I am security and access control. Route 53 for global DNS routing. Transit gateway for inter-region plus on-prem connectivity. VPN connection to simulate on-premises environment. Why this architecture? High availability across multiple regions, scalable compute and database layers, real-time monitoring and centralized logging, DNS-based routing and traffic management, hybrid setup for compliance and flexibility. Next steps. In the upcoming videos, we'll dive deeper into creating VPC and subnets, launching EC2 instance and configuring the app stack, interconnecting the regions via transit gateway, monitoring and alerting with CloudWatch, simulating on-premises with VPN, setting up failover, auto-scaling, and DNS routing. Stay tuned and subscribe to follow along the journey of building a professional AWS infrastructure from scratch.